Yan, doon ka pumasok para sa gate.
Hindi, kanina sa lubungan to eh.
Kasama na. Ito mami, mga apa oh. Ay, ang ganda ng ano, pupunta tayo dyan. Magkakad tayo dyan. Kaya ni mami yan. Oh, malalim yung tao.
Intimate places, but also known as chambers of greenery. During your trip, feel free to stop if you wish to discover their hidden charms.
Nasaan na yung doon pa, no?
Nagpasa mo yung...
Din, diba?
Talagang...
Dito tayo?
Nagpasa mo yung pool. Makakapag-picture pala tayo dito. Hindi ka pa nagugutom? Ako, gugutom na ako. Ikahin. Basta may train station tayo na kumain doon. May ano doon, KFC. Mga photobomber sa video mo, nagtatams sila sa'yo.
Oo.
Ay, ayan yung ginaya ng ano.
Ay, oo.
Sa Olympics.
Sa Olympics, yun. Controversial.
Yung blue gun na yun.
Yan yung resibo mo.
During the construction of Versailles would be a constant major concern. Le Nôtre arranged the grounds around two perpendicular axes. The first runs north to south.
Huwag kang mababa,
That's 3,200 meters long. To the gates of the follows the course of the sun, enticing the eyes to...
Thank you. Did you like it?
Yes, very much. Enjoy.
Wonderful. So with the receipt, you're going to go to have your license back.
Okay.
Thank you very much. Can we have picture?